welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a Valentine's makeup look for you guys. I really like the way it turned out, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. As always, please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and prime my skin with my e.l.f. Poreless Primer. It's so hard to take myself serious, but I went ahead and did my brows off camera, and I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I have the shade Taupe in that. I went ahead and concealed my eyelids and set them just to kind of be a base, and I went ahead and put these shadow shields on just because I'm going to be using some dark colors and I don't want any fallout on my face. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in for the eye look. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette with Morphe. It looks like this. There's some really pretty shades. Okay, so I'm first going to go in with these two shades, just as kind of a transition color, and I'm using that on a R37 by Morphe. And I'm just putting this all in the crease. You don't have to be super precise with this shade because it's going to be a transition color, so it's okay if it kind of gets on the lid a little bit. It'll help everything blend out. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and deepen that up, and I'm going to go in with this shade. And I am taking this all the way into my inner corner. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and use the exact same brush that I used for the first color with no additional product, just to blend it out. At this point, I want to go ahead and deepen it up a little bit, so I'm going to take a deep plum shade on my Sigma E25. This brush is a little bit more dense, so it'll be a little bit more precise application. And for that, I'm taking this color. These Jaclyn Hill Morphe shadows are so pigmented. You literally just need the lightest little bit. I'm mostly focusing that on my outer corner, but I am going to take a little bit inside here. And then just going in again with the R37, blending this color out with no additional product. I always try to keep a brush on hand that has just like a minimum amount of product to go in between every color and just blend everything out. Okay, at this point I want to go ahead and deepen up the outer corners just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of the darker shades in the palette, and I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm putting this just right out here in the outer corner. And I'm just packing it on with this brush. I'm not blending it out yet, just packing it on. Just right out there in the outer corner. And then I'm taking a Morphe M507 to blend that out with just the slightest bit of product, the same color. And I'm just going back in with the deep kind of rose plum color to blend this back out. And then as always, going back in with the blending brush with little to no product and making sure everything is still really seamless. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer on my eyelid to carve out my crease before I apply my glitter shadow. And I'm taking the concealer from my inner corner to about halfway, to a little past halfway on my lid. Okay, to go all over my lid, I'm going to go in with a shimmer shadow. At this point, there's still a pretty harsh line in between the shimmer shadow and the mattes, so I'm going to go in with a deeper shimmer to kind of blend those out. And I'm just putting that right in between the two colors to make them blend together a little bit more. And then I'm going to keep blending those out. This is the Morphe M506. Just blending where the shimmer and matte shades meet. This side is pulling a little bit more red on camera, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more of that burgundy shade on the side just to even it out a little bit. Good. Fix Plus automatically makes every single shimmer shadow just like a little bit more metallic. I went ahead and applied some lashes off camera, and these are just the Ardell Wispies. So there are the lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my face now. For foundation, I'm just going in with the Too Faced Born This Way, and I have this in shade Light Beige. And we already prepped and primed our skin earlier. And to apply this, I'm just going in with a Sigma flat top kabuki brush. And then once that's all blended out, I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Light Beige. And I know this seems like a lot of makeup, and honestly, it is. Then to blend that out, I'm going in with my Morphe blending sponge. To set that concealer in place, I'm going in with the Fenty powder and butter, and I'm using that on the new Real Techniques powder sponge, and I absolutely love this new sponge. It gives such a flawless finish. Then to set the rest of the face, I'm going in with my MAC powder. My face is way lighter than my body right now, but once we go in with the bronzer, it'll all match. To contour, as always, I'm going to go ahead with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette and just carve out my cheekbones. To bronze up the rest of my face, I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Solei bronzer to add some warmth back to my face. To finish off the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the exact same colors that I did on my top. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to my bottom eyelashes. And then for blush, I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe palette and mix these two colors together. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to go ahead and with the Morphe liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Beaver. Okay guys, this is the finished look. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more makeup videos, let me know in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.